Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today's question is, can the WeCreat Lumos Flex cut metal? And the answer is yes, but it is very thin metal, so as you can see, I went ahead and cut out one of these aluminum metal business cards here. Turned out fantastic. Now the question is, can you cut thicker metal than this? The answer is yes too. Up to 3 times as thick as this metal here, which is 0.3 millimeters thick. Is the maximum cutting size. I don't have anything quite like that, but I do have this 0.7 millimeter thick metal here that I did some experimentation on, and I ran like 180 lines, and I didn't quite cut through it, but you can actually see some marks on the back. So is it possible to get even thicker? Probably, but will it take a long time? Definitely. This is an entry-level fiber laser, so you got to keep that in mind. But with that said, we're going to focus on just the 0.1 millimeter metal today. I'm going to show you some examples of this cutting out here. Things to look out for, especially if you use more power and you want it to cut faster. And then with that said, we're going to jump right into this here. So now that we're in the software, you want to go ahead and set your speed for both your rasterized image or a vector image that you're going to use. And you want to set the power and speed for your cut. I went ahead and used these settings here for the cut. Now keep in mind that this is a higher speed in power, or a lower speed and high power, so it can cut out faster. Now with that said, that's going to cause a lot of warping with something that's this thin. So it's going to start warping during your cut. So I went ahead and did a second pass, and I put some heavier items on the sides, and even then still kind of warped because the items weren't heavy enough. But if you're going to do this, find a way to clamp down your metal. These are just the settings that I found. Are there different settings that you can use to prevent warping? Yes, there definitely is. You can just do some experimentation. It's just going to take longer, and I'm impatient and I like things to cut fast. But with that said, that is basically cutting metal on the fiber laser of the WeCreat Lumos Flex. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys want these settings again later on, join the WeCreat Lumos or Lumos Flex settings group, and I'll post all the settings there, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.